Hey, lovely friends! A few days ago, I tossed out an old pair of shoes. But then I thought, why not turn them into something totally new with just a little DIY magic? So, that's exactly what I did. First, I grabbed some sandpaper and roughed up the surface of the shoes a bit. You don't need to remove all the color like I did. Just make sure the surface isn't too smooth so the paint sticks better. And hey, if you're working with fancy or delicate shoes, you can skip the sandpaper and use alcohol or acetone instead. That'll help remove any wax, oils, or coating on the surface. Next up, I wipe the shoes down with a damp cloth to clean off any dust or residue. Now comes the fun part, painting. I've listed all the details in the description about which type of paint to use for different shoe materials, so definitely check that out. Once you've done the first coat, if you feel like it needs more coverage, let it dry a bit and go in with a second layer. Just keep layering until you're happy with the result. After the paint is completely dry, you can seal it all in with a fixative spray to make it last longer. The rest of the steps are pretty straightforward, but if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you with love. And because I loved how the first pair turned out, I ended up transforming another pair the same way. So tell me, which one do you like more? Pair 1 or pair 2?